Survey research. Survey research has become a major technique to gather information about individuals of all sorts. Examples are customer surveys, attitudinal surveys, election surveys, etc. Survey research involves the systematic collection of information from individuals using standardized procedures. While conducting survey research, the researcher normally uses a random or representative sample from the population and asks the survey subjects one or several questions. Different types of surveys are as follows. Primarily, we can classify it as cross-sectional surveys and longitudinal surveys. Longitudinal surveys include trend surveys, cohort surveys, and panel surveys. Cross-sectional survey. It is a survey that is used to gather information about individuals at a single point of time. It may be from cross-sections of a population. We can have data at one point of both independent and dependent variables. Cross-sectional surveys cannot establish cause and effect relationship. Longitudinal survey. In contrast to cross-sectional studies, which are conducted once, longitudinal surveys repeat the same survey questions several times. This allows the researchers to analyze changing attitudes or behavior that occur within the population over time. There are three types of longitudinal surveys mainly, that are trend studies, cohort studies, and panel studies. Trend surveys. A trend study, which is frequently also labeled a repeated cross-sectional survey, is a repeated survey that is normally not composed of the same individuals in the different waves. Cohort surveys. While trend studies normally focus on the whole population, cohort studies merely focus on a segment of the population. One common feature of cohort study is that a central event or a feature occurred approximately at the same time to all members of the group. Most common are birth cohorts. In the case of birth is the special event that took place in the same year or in the same years for all members of the cohort. Panel survey. Panel studies normally ask the same question to the same people in subsequent waves. These types of surveys are the most costly and most difficult to implement, but they are the best suited to detect causal relationship or changes in individual behavior. Regardless of the type of survey questions, there are four different ways to operationalize survey questions. The four types of variables are string variables, continuous variables, ordinal variables, and nominal variables. A string variable, it is a non-numerical variable which serves as the identifier. Examples are name of individuals, name of countries, etc. This variable is normally not part of any analysis. A continuous variable can have, in theory, an infinite number of observations. Such a question normally follows from a continuous numerical questions. An interval variable is a specific type of variable. It is a continuous variable with equal gaps between values. A nominal variable is categorized. There is no specific order or value of the categorization. That means the order is arbitrary. Because there is no hierarchy in the organization of data, it is called as nominal variable. An example of a two-categorical nominal variable is gender. An example of categorical variable with more than two categories would be religious affiliation. An ordinal variable consists of data that are categorized, and there is a clear order to the categories.